Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. This video is about me installing my new stereo head unit, which is for the Android and stuff like that. This here that you see is a factory stereo for the Honda Accord 8th gen from 2008 to 2012, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely going to remove this whole thing, you heard? So as you can see here, I got the screen right here, this aftermarket Android head unit screen, 10.1 inch, you know what I'm saying? And I got this housing right here for the factory radio where you put the screen on it, as I will show y'all. And also right here, this is the wire harnesses, plug and play. It ain't no splicing, none of that. So you know, you're good to go. Okay, so in order for you to remove this whole thing, this whole stereo, you gotta remove this. And by using this, you gotta remove this part. Then you gotta unscrew the bottom parts and stuff like that to remove this and this as well, you know what I'm saying? So after you remove this part, then you gotta remove this too. This plug right here is for the cigarette lighter and stuff. There it goes. So you just gotta remove this right quick. I already unscrewed this part and this part. I already unscrewed these two. And then you gotta unscrew the inside right here. You gotta unscrew right here where it is over here. And over here you gotta take them out, but I already did that. Now, in order for you to remove this part out of the way, you gotta unscrew these two parts. You gotta unscrew this right here where I'm pointing at, and this on the other side over here. But I already did that, you know what I'm saying? And then also you gotta use this, you gotta remove this part and this part, because it's these screws right here. I'm gonna just show y'all. See, look, see? 1 and 2. You just gotta yank it up a little bit and all that, and it'll come out. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I just disconnected this part, loosen it, and now I gotta disconnect all these wires in the back, all for me to add the wiring harnesses on, you know? Alright, so now you see this is unplugged. So now, all for me to remove this right here, I have to unscrew 1, 2, and 3. So now I had to remove these. So what I did was I pried this off, and this is about to come off, you know what I'm saying? Then you gotta get this out of there, you know what I mean? So now, in order for you to remove this, you gotta unscrew these two in the bottom, and then these two like on the top. One right here and one right here, if y'all can see it, you know what I'm saying? See, now this is off. Now I just gotta unplug this back, and I'm good. Oh shit, there it goes. I didn't mean to drop it, but there it goes. See that? That's all you gotta do. So now everything is done. As you can see, the screen, this part, and this part, this original radio is on the bottom now, you know what I'm saying? So everything is done pretty much, and I'm gonna show y'all the operation of it. So, as you can see, you know what I'm saying, this is the operation right here. You could do mad stuff in this joint. You can watch videos, you can use your iPod and stuff like that by plugging the USB and the aux. But in order for you to get the sound on this, you gotta make sure that the aux cable is connected. You know what I'm saying? Because you see right here it says aux. So that's all for you to get the sound, because it's connected to this too still. You know what I'm saying? So that's all for you to get the sound and all that. But anything else, you could do mad stuff. Navigation, you could do navigation on this, like Google. You could do Google Maps and stuff like that. You could do music on here and all that. Yeah, it didn't pop up. Videos, you can play any videos on there and stuff like that. Bluetooth, they got different apps that came with it, you know what I'm saying? And you could download more apps. All you gotta do is go to Play Store right here and stuff like that, and it's gonna show you too. Boom. Oh yeah, and by the way, I connected my Wi-Fi, you know, from my house and all that, so you know, you can download apps on here and stuff like that, and that's cool, you know what I mean? So you can just do mad stuff on this too. And this is an Android operation, and this right here, this is a tire thing. I didn't, you know, do anything yet, but this shows you, you know, your tires, if your tire gets flat, the numbers and stuff like that on here, which is a good thing, you know. You can do mad stuff, Sirius, XM, Spotify. I don't use iPod, like I said. Maps. You can watch Netflix on this too. You can do mad, like literally mad. YouTube. Like, it's crazy. Like, I really like this joint too. And I never was an Android fan until I saw this, and I said, oh snap, I might use it for, you know, put it to good use, like maps and all that. Oh yeah, and then by the way, I ended up buying this extra thing right here. This dongle for Apple CarPlay and all that, cause I use Apple and stuff like that. So what I did was I plug in my phone. Watch, I'm gonna plug in my phone real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Watch, hold on. Alright, so as you can see, it says CarPlay on it, you know what I'm saying? And I ended up buying this off of Amazon for like $50, so that's not bad. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how it pops up. All you have to do is go to AutoKit, and then it's connected and all that already, so it's gonna pop up as Apple CarPlay. Boom, there it goes. You see? You can do mad stuff too, Apple CarPlay. You can use maps, you can use, you know what I'm saying, because I have apps here. Google Maps, you can use DatPiff if you want to play music. You can use Waze, that's a map too as well, but I like that shit better than all these maps. And WhatsApp, and then you could, you know, text message people, you can call people through it and all that. It's like Bluetooth style, you know what I'm saying? And I already connected my mic and everything on it. My mic is right there, you know what I mean? So you can do mad stuff on this phone, like on this tablet. I mean, it's actually a stereo, but it's like a tablet connected to it. So that's what I want to show y'all. Everything is good, everything is smooth, and that's it. Oh, one more thing. When I was installing this, it had hella wires that I had to deal with. I'm talking about, it's a plug and play thing. It wasn't no splicing or nothing like that, but I couldn't show too much because it was a lot of work, to be real with y'all. But I just gotta show y'all this once again, and subscribe, you know, hit that notification button, you know what I mean, hit the like button. I got more videos coming up, especially gaming videos, because I do gaming a lot too, you know what I'm saying? So I thank y'all for watching this video, and I'm out. Peace.